Chief Magistrate Afonughe Edewor of Magistrate Court in Effurun, Uvwie local government area of Delta State, has given a remand order on a Cameroonian, GodloveNeba, who allegedly blackmailed and defrauded a popular pastor in Warri. The Chief Magistrate rules that the court lacks jurisdiction to hear the case. We have details in this report. Business News will be next.
Acting on intelligence, the police in Delta State arrested this suspect who connived with others who allegedly conspired and blackmailed a clergyman, Prophet Jeremiah Effurun, by saying that a child who they falsely claimed got missing in his church premises is now in South Africa and defrauded the church of over ₦1 million. Chief Magistrate Afonughe Edewor, while hearing the 5-count charge against the defendant, who is without a counsel, says the court lacks jurisdiction to entertain the case. Counsel to the Delta State Police Commissioner speaks more about the proceeding at the court.
Well, today the complainant, that's the Commissioner of Police, brought a motion for remand based on the facts at their disposal. They drafted a 5-count charge, like you said. So the person, that's the respondent now, he's been remanded in prison. That's I think the one at Warri, yes. Waiting for legal advice from the Attorney General of the state. He will go through the case file because part of the orders that were on the motion paper is that the duplicated case file be handed over to the Attorney General. They'll go through it and then they make their findings and make their recommendations.
The defendant, Mr. GodloveNeba, a Cameroonian, says he only got involved in the crime due to frustration after losing a huge sum of money and regrets his actions. He pledges to work with the police to apprehend others still at large.
I regret it. I regret it so much. I regret it. Prof X is a vampire. He's a vampire. Him and Group Matthew. I believe that they know the game that they are playing. I knew that his intention is to continue to back up all his scandals and all what he has been saying. So I did it not because I really wanted him to do so. I did it because I wanted to come out as I'm now talking that he contacted me. He did. So that people know that all what he's saying, they are make-up stories.
Pending the advice of the Director of Public Prosecution before he is arraigned before a court of competent jurisdiction, the Magistrate Court ordered that the accused be detained by the police. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Effurun.